Welcome back to my channel. I discuss about 4 types of if clause sentences. The English language has many types of sentences. For instance, a conditional sentence demonstrates that one part of sentence is true if the other part is true. For example, if it rains, the crops will grow. Conditionals are sentences which are also known as if clauses. These types of sentences can be seen throughout the English language, and it is an important concept for anyone learning the language to understand. Conditionals are sentences with two clauses, an if clause and the main clause, that are closely related. Generally, conditional sentences are often divided into 4 types: zero conditional, possible conditional, imaginary conditional, and impossible conditional. What is zero conditional? Zero conditional is used for actual facts, scientific events, things which are always true. It is easy to form because if clause and main clause are simple present tense. You must use two clauses, one with if plus simple present verb and the other with another simple present verb. Look at the example. If you freeze water, it turns into ice. It is a universal fact. This sentence used with the if clause. So if clause and main clause both are simple present tense. You can reverse the order of the clauses. If the if clause comes first, comma is usually used. If the if clause comes second, there is no need for a comma. First conditional or possible conditional. First conditional sentences used to talk about things which are possible, the future or present. It is generally used for things which may happen. Look at the example. If you study well, you will pass the exam. In the possible condition, if clause simple present, main clause simple future tense. Second conditional or imaginary conditionals. The second conditional is used to talk about the imaginary situation in the present or future. Like zero and the first conditional, a second conditional sentence consists of two clauses, an if clause and a main clause. We use different forms in which part a second conditional. Look at the example. If you studied well, you would pass the exam. If clause simple past tense. Main clause there is used would as V1 form. Sometimes it is possible to use should, could, might in place of would. Third conditional or impossible conditionals. The third conditional sentences is used to talk about things which did not happen in the past. If your native language just does not have a similar construction, you may find this a little strange, but it can be very useful. It is often used to express criticism or regret. Look at the example. If you had studied well, you would have passed the exam. If clause past perfect tense. Main clause would have V3 form or should have V3 form or could have V3 form. We can learn more about with some examples. Zero conditionals. The structure of zero conditional: if plus subject plus present symbol plus subject plus present symbol. Look at the example. You mix blue and red, you get purple. It is scientific fact. So how can combine these two sentences with if? If you mix blue and red, you get purple. Another example. Keep phosphorus in air, it catches fire. Combine these two sentences using if. If you Keep phosphorus in air, it catches fire. Possible conditionals. If plus subject plus simple present, comma, subject plus will or want plus V14. Example, give me your book, then I will give you my book. Combine these two sentences using if. If you give me your book, I will give you my book. Another example, I don't have time, I can't accept this job. Both are negative sentences. Combine using if. If I have time, I can accept this job. Another example, run fast or you will miss the bus. Use if with this sentence. If you run fast, you won't miss the bus or will not miss the bus. If you run fast, you will not miss the bus. Imaginary condition. If plus subject plus V2. That means simple past tense. Main clause subject plus would or wouldn't or shouldn't or should. I won $1 million. I buy a new car. Combine these sentences using if. If I won $1 million, I would buy a car. Look, if I won $1 million, I would buy a new car. Another example, I am not a bird. I can't fly. This is an imaginary conditional. How can combine these two sentences using if? If I were a bird, I could fly. Impossible conditionals. If clause. If plus subject plus had plus V3. That means past perfect tense. Main clause subject plus would, could, might plus have plus V3. That means past participle form of verb. Look at this example. You did not eat. You did not get energy. These two sentences, how can combine with if? If you had eaten, you would have got energy. Another example, the gatekeeper did not close the gate. The accident happened. Combine these two sentences using if. If the gatekeeper had closed the gate, the accident would not have happened. You watch this video again and again and practice. Teachers can open the door, but you must enter by yourself. Thank you for watching this video.